How's it going?
Fine.
Get a lot written today?
Yes.
Hey, the weather forecast said it's gonna snow tonight.
What do you want me to do about it?
Come on, hon. Don't be so grouchy.
I'm not being grouchy. I just want to finish my work.
Okay, I understand. I'll come back later with a couple of sandwiches for you, and maybe you'll let me read something then?
Wendy, let me explain something to you. Whenever you come in here and interrupt me, you are breaking my concentration. You are distracting me, and it will then take time for me to get back to where I was. Understand?
Yeah.
Fine. Now we are going to make a new rule. Whenever I am in here and you hear me typing, or whether you don't hear me typing, or whatever the fuck you hear me doing in here, when I am in here, that means that I am working, that means you do not come in. Now do you think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Fine. Why don't you start right now and get the fuck out of here?
Okay.
Thanks for joining.